Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today, we're making chopped pepper fish head. Without further ado, let's get started. First, prepare the fish head. Clean the fish head thoroughly and make crosswise cuts close to the fish bone, with the cuts spaced 3 centimeters apart. Next, marinate the fish head. Place the cut fish head in a bowl. Add 5 milliliters of white liquor and 1 teaspoon of salt. Use your hands to evenly rub the salt and liquor over the fish head, ensuring all parts are coated. Marinate for 10 minutes. Then, prepare the ingredients. Wash and finely chop about 10 grams of ginger into minced pieces. Do the same with 10 grams of garlic cloves. Mix the chopped ginger and garlic with the chopped chili thoroughly using chopsticks. Now arrange for steaming. Place 2 green onions in a steaming bowl and put the marinated fish head on top of the onions. Evenly spread 50 grams of the mixed chopped chili over the fish head and drizzle with 10 milliliters of tea oil. Place the steaming bowl with the fish head into a steamer. Cover and steam over high heat for 12 minutes. Finally, after steaming, use tongs to remove the steaming bowl from the steamer. Sprinkle with chopped green onions and drizzle with some hot tea oil. The dish is now ready to serve, spicy and delicious. It's truly enticing. Friends, you must try our chopped pepper fish head. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.